fact is that behind everything, we are in that state of doing nothing. Who? Real self. When we live into that state, we are there. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both your palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. How are you, John?
Hey, Girish. I'm fine. I think it was a good meditation, good session, and I very much appreciated the your talk before the practice. I thought it was very good.
You see, when you appreciate the talk, it means the knowledge is settled. And when the knowledge is settled, then you do the practice, it brings the result. Very wonderful. I appreciate it. And how are you, Anne?
Yeah, I feel very good. Like I didn't want to come out of it.
Oh, that's very
Oh,
good.
very, very grounded. Yes.
Very grounded. You see that. This is what happens. Always understand that we keep in the mind when the knowledge is clear inside. So that triggers the intellect. Oh, I have been living in ignorance. Let me drop it.
Mm.
And the mind that has been dictating the intellect because of the wheel of life dissolves. It doesn't take any time if I have understanding. And then you start the practice of meditation so that mind does not create any problem. So some people find the role of the knowledge is 90%. They are good seekers. Mostly the non-seekers, they are always looking for a practice. 1 minute of instant meditation, 5 minutes. Come on, in 1 minute you do. You are not aware what you are doing. So, yeah, but everything is good. You know what we say? Everything is fair in marketing. Wonderful. That is all. I appreciate. So thank you very much. We'll meet again.
Thank you, Girish.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Good night. All right. See you, man.
Good night.